In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Excel to Microsoft Forms. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. We begin by opening Excel Online. Start by navigating to the Microsoft Office Online portal where you can access Excel Online. Once you reach the web page, the first visual you'll encounter is the Excel application interface designed for cloud-based work. This simple online platform is ideal for quickly opening your spreadsheets, especially when you need to collaborate with others or access your files from any device. After you have loaded Excel Online in your browser, the next important action is to sign into your account. Look for the Sign In option and click on it. Signing in allows you to securely access your personal files and ensures that any changes you make are saved to your account. This process is straightforward and is designed to help you get to work as quickly as possible. Once you have successfully signed in, you are ready to move on to the Excel home area. This is where you can view an overview of all your available spreadsheets or create a new one depending on your needs. The home interface is user-friendly and provides clear navigation options to help you find the file you want to work on, whether it is stored on OneDrive or within your recent documents. Take your time here and become familiar with the layout, as it will save you time in future tasks. Now that you are in Excel Home, select the file you wish to work on. This can typically be done by simply clicking on the file's thumbnail or name. Once you have chosen your file, it will open in Excel Online, fully loaded and ready for editing. This step ensures you are working on the correct document where you intend to incorporate your form. With your file open, shift your focus to the insert functionality available in Excel Online. Find the insert option within the toolbar. Selecting the insert option is crucial because it is the pathway that connects you to additional tools and features that enhance your spreadsheet. After clicking insert, a new set of options will become available, allowing you to add various elements to your Excel sheet. Within the expanded insert menu, look for the option labeled Forms. Clicking on Forms will take you to the Microsoft Forms integration interface. This seamless connection between Excel and Microsoft Forms allows you to create forms that can capture data directly into your spreadsheet. The process is designed to be intuitive, ensuring that even users who are new to these tools can complete the connection with ease. After selecting Forms, you will have the opportunity to build your form right within the integrated interface. This means you can customize your form with the questions and layout that best suit your data collection needs. The system is highly responsive and every change you make updates in real time, creating an efficient workflow that saves time and reduces the likelihood of errors. By following these steps carefully, you have successfully connected Excel to Microsoft Forms. Each stage of this process, from opening Excel Online and signing in, to selecting your file and inserting a form, builds on the previous one to provide a smooth and effective integration. Enjoy your new setup and take advantage of the powerful data collection and analysis capabilities now available to you through this seamless connection between Excel and Microsoft Forms.